Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harshal Raghunath Patel from Department of Electrical Engineering from JSPM Rajesh Shishau College of Engineering, Tathodi. Today, I am going to presenting a DC-DC converter. So, in that topic, we are learn about what are the different types of DC-DC converter, where it is used. So, a DC-DC converter is a type of a chopper. It is a static power electronic device that convert a fixed DC input into a variable DC output. It is also called as a DC-DC converter. It will increase or decrease the DC voltage level at its output side. As you can see in the circuit diagram, we can provide a fixed input and get a variable output at the output side. These are the now we can see the types of DC-DC converter. Our first type of the DC-DC converter is the buck converter. Buck converter is a type of DC-DC converter to convert that reduce the voltage of the input DC power source. It's also known as a step down converter because it decreases the voltage while the increasing the current from the input or to the output side. As you can see in the circuit diagram, when our switch is at closed, then the current start flowing through the inductor and directly through the load. At that time, diode is not in working condition. So at on side, whenever switch is on, the inductor is start to store energy and it will provided to the load side. And when buck converter is in off condition, at that time inductor will release their energy across to the diode. As you can see in the waveform, when the uh, when we provide a supply to the converter, at that time inductor starts store energy, and same time the current across the diode is minimum. So when there is an off condition, inductor will release their energy across the diode and the current at the diode will be maximum. So in this way it will work as a this is step up transformer. It's used in electronics application. So our next topic is the boost converter. Boost converter is a type of DC-DC converter which is used to increase the voltage of the input DC power source. Is also known as a step up converter because it step up the source voltage. It will boost the source voltage. So it is also called as a step up DC transformer. As you can see in the circuit diagram, so whenever we provide the DC source across the load, the inductor will start store energy and it will flow through the inductor, and then the switch, which is called as a MOSFET switch, and directly through the load. At the discharging time, the inductor will release their energy across the diode. And this way it will provide a boost output voltage to the output side. Our next topic is the buck boost converter. Buck boost converter is a type of DC-DC converter that can either increase or decrease the voltage to the input DC power source. Is also known as a step up or a step down converter. It will work as a hybrid. It will work according to our concern. It will work as a step up converter or it will work as a step down converter. It is also because it can step up or step down the voltage of the input power source. Buck boost converter are a class of switches power mode supply that are used to convert a DC voltage to the another DC voltage. They are commonly used in electronic devices such as battery power devices or the solar panel and electric vehicle. As you can see in the circuit diagram, whenever we provide a source across the load, at that time the chopper is in on, we can get a boost voltage, means a step up voltage at the load side. Whenever the chopper is in off condition, we chop condition off condition, the inductor will release their energy throughout the load. So at that time we can get step down voltage across the load. This will how the buck boost converter will work. DC-DC converters are used in electric vehicles, some electronics components where the low voltage are required and where the high voltage are the required. Thank you.